Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to use the Earnify app. First, download it from your device to App Store, available both on iOS and Android. Once downloaded, open the app and sign in or create an account if you're a new user. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard with your current earnings and any available tasks or offers. Earnify tracks your cashback and rewards from various apps and purchases you made. To start, tap on available offers to view the different ways you can earn rewards, such as linking accounts or completing surveys. Next, select an offer that interests you and follow the instructions to complete the task. Once you fulfill the offer, your rewards will be tracked and added to your earnings. You can then view your progress and check for any new offers on the app's main screen. Earnify typically notifies you when new earning opportunities are available or when you've reached a milestone such as a withdrawal threshold. When you're ready to redeem your rewards, navigate to the Redeem section, select your preferred payout method, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.